Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA could be moving in a triangle within a triangle, so we are going to take a look at that in this video. Looking at the bigger picture, the situation hasn't changed on the ADA chart. I think the forecast so far has been absolutely correct in highlighting already many weeks ago. I think we talked about it already in July. Yeah, probably in July, that this is unfolding as a triangle. We have to expect further boring sideways action with a tendency for lower prices, because this Elliott wave triangle, if it really is one, and it just takes one more wave to confirm it, it just suggests that lower prices are still on the radar. Okay, so one more low here, one more bear market low seems very likely. Could ADA change that course? Yeah, of course. Of course, it can protect itself from new bear market lows, but it would need to break above the July high, and we would need to see a break above 38.5 cents, and it would have to be the yellow wave count, which is a diagonal structure. And in this diagonal structure, we need to see, price just follow through. That I've got it on the chart already here in yellow. It's a low probability wave count, therefore I'm not tracking it primarily. And well, I am tracking it, but it needs to take it needs to take prices above 38.5 cents to at least confirm it to a degree. Okay. Until then, the focus is here on the white wave count, which is an Elliott wave triangle. In this Elliott wave triangle, the price is currently in a wave 4. We have a pattern that's called ABCDE. It's a 5-wave pattern, and we could be in this E wave of the wave 4, which is the last wave of that pattern. Okay, so that's sort of what we're looking at the moment. Basically, A wave already done. That was the top in April. B wave done, that was the low in June. C wave done, that was the top in July. D wave done, that was the low in August. Yeah, we could get this E wave. You need to understand that in these triangles, the prices are moving in corrective structures. I had someone ask me, because I'm tracking some trend reversal areas there as well. Someone asked me why it's a low probability setup. So there isn't really a setup there. I just added support on the chart to indicate where the price should turn around to give us that E wave. But it's not a high quality setup that you would normally want to trade if you are looking for a high, let's call it a setup which gives you a lot of, that gives you quality, because it's not moving in an uptrend. Yeah, it's just moving sideways. So the market hasn't made up its mind yet. Normally the recommendations are not to trade within a triangle, not to trade within a correction. And what is a triangle? A triangle is a huge correction. So of all corrections, it's probably a bad idea, or the worst idea, to trade within a triangle, because triangles, they often don't move in impulse. I mean, they don't move in impulses. Okay, at least if you have an ABC structure, if it's decent size, you can trade the C wave, which is sometimes an impulse. In here, it's a big mess, and you don't know where the E wave will really finish, because there isn't really a rule for it. There are some guidelines. Our target range is between 30 to 34 cents here for the E wave. Now, if we zoom in, we say that possibly this D wave of the triangle bottomed here in August, that we're now moving up in this E wave, but the E wave is just not showing any upside at the moment. So what I think we have, if it's following that, and that is just an idea, a possible roadmap, yeah, we have a wave W, we have a wave X. So we have 3 waves up, we have 3 waves down. That already is a warning, because there is no, we always need an impulse to have a good sense of direction. This just moves, you see it just moves sideways. Okay, so this could now turn into another 3-wave move to the upside, which is what I would like to see, WXY. And if we're in the Y wave already, then I go to the 1-hour chart now, then the Y wave would be an ABC structure. So A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. Again, all of that only possible as long as the 24.9 cent level is holding, the 31st of August low. And if the price breaks below 24.7, then I think we are resetting the D wave. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if not. If we go into the detailed wave count, it stretches out already. It's not really following through higher. What I sketched out in the last video is here how an A wave could work out. An A wave would be potentially a 5-wave move. And in this A wave, we have a wave 1 to the upside, And if we really want to do the micro count, then I think probably best to do it would be as a WXY structure as well, complex, yeah, W, then here an X wave and a Y wave still unfolding. But this is not reliable, but just show you a possible count. Then here this could be an A wave down, maybe here a B wave top, and we come down and see. Yeah, this is absolutely possible. It's just an idea though. This is moving in an ascending wedge. These often break to the downside. I think a break to the upside would indicate that the third wave of the A wave is already running. If this wedge breaks down, we are still in support, and it could just be the C wave of the Y wave of wave 2. That's just a quick assessment of the current ADA chart. It has been moving sideways for a week now. Not much action here, but if it turns around and moves higher in the Y wave of the E wave, then it should do that here in an ideal world, yeah? Or the bigger picture needs to be revised. Just be aware, the idea is that this E wave goes into the region between 30 and 34 cents, but we're eventually watching for lower prices still, so it is also absolutely possible and part of the scenario if we see a more direct drop down. That's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you can get access to our weekly live stream. You get access to Discord and Telegram live chat rooms. You get access to a lot of learning material about Elliott wave trading and TA. And as a gold member, you get additional market updates even between videos. So maybe I'll see you there. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.